Looking for the perfect electric kettle? Whether you need your morning coffee ready in minutes or want to enjoy a relaxing tea break, the right kettle makes all the difference. Today we're counting down 5 outstanding electric kettles that combine speed, style, and smart features. Number 5. Starting at number 5, we have a powerhouse built to last. This 1,000-watt stainless steel electric kettle offers a generous capacity from 1 to 3 liters, perfect for a quick single cup or serving the whole family. The premium stainless steel construction looks sleek while ensuring durability and easy cleaning. What sets this kettle apart is its safety and convenience. BPA-free materials mean no harmful chemicals in your drinks. The built-in stainless steel filter catches impurities for cleaner, better-tasting beverages. The automatic shutoff feature lets you walk away without worrying about overboiling. Whether making tea, coffee, instant noodles, or baby formula, this kettle delivers consistent results. The ergonomic handle stays cool to touch, and the wide spout ensures smooth pouring without splashing. For those who want to check out this excellent option, the link is available in the description and comments below. Number 4. At number 4, we have a kettle combining modern technology with classic design. This 1.8-liter stainless steel kettle features an integrated LED indicator light that illuminates during operation, giving clear visual confirmation your water is heating. The bright LED serves as a practical safety feature, showing at a glance when active. The substantial 1.8-liter capacity means fewer refills when entertaining or needing multiple cups. Stainless steel construction ensures even heat distribution and lasting performance, while automatic shutoff and dry boil protection keep you safe. The 360-degree swivel base works for both left and right-handed users, and the concealed heating element prevents mineral buildup for easier maintenance. The modern design fits seamlessly into contemporary kitchens, and quick boil technology means no waiting for hot beverages. If you're interested in adding this stylish kettle to your kitchen, find the link in the description and comments section. Number 3. Coming in. At number 3 is a kettle as beautiful as it is functional. This 1.8-liter glass electric kettle features a stunning transparent design letting you watch water boil, creating a mesmerizing visual experience. The elegant glass construction uses high-quality borosilicate glass that's heat-resistant and completely BPA-free, ensuring your water stays pure. The integrated LED lighting illuminates during operation, creating a beautiful blue glow that adds ambiance while serving as a clear indicator. Powered by 1,000 watts, this kettle brings water to rapid boil without excessive energy consumption. The automatic shutoff activates when water reaches boiling point, and dry boil protection prevents damage if turned on empty. The wide opening makes filling and cleaning incredibly easy, and the removable filter keeps water free from impurities. The cool touch handle stays safe at full temperature. Check the description and comments below for the link to this stunning kettle. Number 2. At number 2, we have an innovative kettle going beyond basic boiling. This 1.7-liter glass electric kettle comes with an integrated water dispenser feature, perfect for convenient hot water access throughout the day. The elegant glass teapot design features high-quality borosilicate glass withstanding temperature extremes. With a powerful 1,200-watt heating element, this kettle delivers rapid boiling performance, saving precious time. The LED indicator provides clear visual feedback, and automatic shutoff ensures safety by turning off when water reaches boiling point. Dry boil protection prevents damage if activated without water. What makes this kettle special is its versatility. Equally at home in your kitchen, office, or camping, the wide opening facilitates easy filling and cleaning, while the ergonomic handle provides secure grip. The sophisticated design makes an excellent gift. Find the link in the description and comments area. Number 1. Finally, taking the top spot is a kettle truly delivering on all fronts. This automatic electric kettle features impressive large capacity with transparent glass construction, allowing easy water level monitoring. The fast-boiling 1,000-watt heating system brings water to temperature quickly, perfect for hectic mornings when every second counts. High-quality stainless steel components combined with transparent glass body create a premium look, elevating any kitchen. The automatic shutoff activates precisely when water reaches perfect boiling point. Operating on 110/135 power and requiring no batteries, this kettle is ready right out of the box. The generous capacity means preparing multiple servings without constant refilling, ideal for families or offices. The ergonomic design includes comfortable grip handle and smooth pour spout. Easy to fill, simple to clean, and built for years of reliable service. For the link to our number 1 pick, check the description and comments below. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please like our videos, share them on social media, and leave your comments below. See you in the next video.